What's up, you guys? Hey. It's your girl, Chris, and welcome to Chris and Trick TV. Oh my god, you guys. I am super excited about this video. This actually is my first DIY project. Yeah. Okay, I made this top, and I think it came out pretty good for my first time. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep watching.
First, you want to try your top on so you can see exactly where you want to make your cut and so you can get an idea how it's going to fit. I'm going to cut straight across the top, basically turn it into a tube top. Okay, now you want to try it on. Mine was slightly too big, so I decided to pin down each side and use my sewing machine to sew it down to make it tighter. It fit perfectly. Remove the excess fabric. Now onto the sleeves. I'm laying the other sleeve on top so I could get the perfect cut and so it could be even in the same size. Remove the hem part of your sleeve. I didn't need that, so I cut it off. Now you want to try everything on just to see how it's going to fit and so you can know where you want to pin your sleeves at. Also, remove the bottom hem of your top. Before I sew it, I'm basically just stretching, pulling on the material, trying to loosen it up, and that causes it to look like the lettuce top, like the crinkly, wavy look. So that's what I was going for anyway. Now I am basically sewing around the edge of my top and also sewing the edge of my sleeve. Okay. I am pinning down my sleeves, and before you sew this, you want to try it on to see how it fits. And now I'm taking my seam ripper and I'm basically just ripping through the top part and the bottom part of my top and sleeve, just around the edges, basically to get it that raggedy, rough look, I guess. But yeah, that is it. That's how it came out. I think it's super cute. For my first time, I think I did that.
That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm your girl, Chris. Don't forget to be centric, live centric, stay centric. And I'll see y'all next time.